Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today to celebrate this special, if not a bit unconventional, groundbreaking ceremony. I wanted to share a few brief words about what makes today so special. While there is a lot of uncertainty in the world right now, there's one thing Navistar is certain of, and that is our commitment to move forward on the San Antonio manufacturing facility. This groundbreaking event demonstrates our intent to proceed with this new world-class facility as we advance on the goals of our Navistar 4.0 strategy. And I might add, our desire to become proud members of the San Antonio community. Today is the beginning of what we know will be a long and prosperous relationship with Texas and the San Antonio region. I look forward to all we will be able to accomplish together. And with that, I'll turn it over to Mark Hernandez, Navistar's Senior Vice President of Manufacturing and Supply Chain.
Hello, everyone. Despite the fact that we're not able to have a traditional on-site groundbreaking, I'm excited that we are still able to celebrate the breaking ground of our San Antonio manufacturing facility. A special thank you for our Navistar team in Illinois, specifically our CEO, Troy Clark, whom you just heard from, our Chief Operating Officer, Persio Lisboa, whom you'll hear from later on, as well as our local leaders. Governor Greg Abbott, San Antonio Mayor Ron Nierenberg, Bexar County Judge Nelson Wolf, San Antonio City Councilwoman Rebecca Villagran, San Antonio Economic Development Foundation CEO Jenna Sacedo Herrera, many of whom you'll hear from later. I'm happy to share this virtual stage, so to speak, with these leaders who have been such champions for this project. We are grateful for our continued partnership. I'm energized to share the plans we have for this industry-leading benchmark facility that will be built here in the field of the photo you see behind me. You'll hear more details regarding this plant from Persio Lisboa in a few moments. Mostly, I'm here to tell you how we're going to get there, to reach the full potential of this facility. Now, I could tell you by implementing Manufacturing 4.0 concepts. These concepts allow the plant to be more connected, which helps us in making data-driven decisions, reduce complexity for our employees, and increase our customers' quality. Another how I can mention is the over $250 million capital investment, which enables us to build a 1 million square foot facility, a plant that will provide capacity to produce Class 6 through 8 vehicles. But if I want to be more concise, there is one how that is bigger and more important than any other. Recently, I was asked, what is the most important component of manufacturing? Is it production machinery? Is it control systems? Is it material resources? No, I said, it's relationships. At the core of manufacturing is all about relationships. I find it truer for Navistar than I do for many other companies. At Navistar, we have built the very foundation of our business on relationships. Relationships with our customers, relationships with our dealer network, with our suppliers, relationships with our employees and the communities in which they live. And our relationships are also the biggest how that makes this plant possible. This starts with the people I've already acknowledged today, including local, state, national leaders and partners. We wouldn't be celebrating this groundbreaking without the relationships and the continued support we have from all of you. And the relationships will be crucial to delivering this plant to its fullest potential in the future. This is a milestone moment in cementing our future, not only for the plant, but for Navistar's relationship with the city of San Antonio, Bexar County, and the state of Texas, which includes relationships of our future employees, who will be working to build the industry's leading vehicles. We're lucky to have all the right people to bring this benchmark facility to life. Thank you again for joining me today. We are proud to be a growing part of the San Antonio community, and we look forward to all the good works our relationships will make possible. I'd like now to welcome Navistar's Chief Operating Officer, Persio Lisboa, to share a few words.
Good morning, and thank you all for joining us. We're all miles apart today, and while we can't hear construction vehicles nearby or dig a shovel in the dirt, I am so glad we were able to find an innovative and, shall I say, groundbreaking way to mark this important milestone. Our Navistar team and San Antonio colleagues came together to coordinate this virtual groundbreaking ceremony, and it is a testament to the solid partnership that has already begun between the company and the city. I'd like to spend my time today talking about the plans for our industry benchmark manufacturing facility and why this project is so important to our company's strategy, which we call Navistar 4.0. The San Antonio facility is key to each diamond of our Navistar 4.0 strategy: people, performance, and being the number one choice in the eyes of our customers. People. The facility will add approximately 600 jobs to our manufacturing team and will be in production by early 2022. Performance. The facility will improve quality, lower costs, and provide capacity support to our current manufacturing footprint. Being the number one choice in the eyes of the customer. The industry benchmark manufacturing facility will have the flexibility to build Class 6 through 8 vehicles. This will support the anticipated long-term industry growth, which will position us to best serve our customers' needs and grow market share. Now, we've said several times since announcing our plans to build in San Antonio that this plant will be an industry benchmark manufacturing facility. What exactly does that mean? To us, industry benchmark means manufacturing 4.0, which is one of the reasons we call our company strategy Navistar 4.0. And when we say manufacturing 4.0, it means we'll be taking full advantage of modern tools and technologies, such as a digital factory, connected technology, predictive maintenance, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. The San Antonio plant will incorporate manufacturing 4.0 principles to connect digital and physical technologies, allowing data-driven decisions to be made in the plant in real time. Manufacturing 4.0 has several benefits. It allows for clear visibility of orders, best-in-class order to delivery, and accuracy of promised dates, which will all benefit our customers. We'll have increased visibility via connected supply chain, so we can better adjust and modify priorities. It also allows our employees to be more efficient and focus on their job functions because they will be able to manage complexity offline and have increased access to digital manufacturing techniques, such as data analytics and artificial intelligence, that will help them better perform their functions. For example, digitally connected employees will get real-time notifications on mobile devices, which will enable a quick and improved decision-making process. And on the shop floor, autonomous work centers for employees will provide the standard work instructions, remote assistance, process alerting, plan for data capture, and increased operational safety. The goal of these manufacturing 4.0 concepts is to reduce manufacturing complexity and deliver productivity, on-time delivery, and increase quality to our customers. San Antonio will be our operational backbone launch facility for all manufacturing 4.0 principles, and we will bring these principles and concepts and learnings to our existing plants. In addition, this investment in San Antonio will create a very capable and cost-competitive manufacturing network, as well as provide additional model flexibility across all plants. It will enable us to have an effective geographic concentration of suppliers, allowing for cost reductions and efficiencies across the supply chain. It will also reduce logistics costs, as well as shorten the order to delivery time while improving quality to set the standard in the industry. Navistar is playing to win with our Navistar 4.0 strategy. And today, we're putting our resources behind what we said we were going to do no matter what, because the new facility in San Antonio is crucial to Navistar winning from a manufacturing and market share perspective. And we are very confident that we will win in San Antonio.
Good morning. I'm honored to speak today and join in the celebration of this milestone. We're thrilled to welcome Navistar, another global leader in advanced manufacturing, to San Antonio. Navistar will bring more than 600 well-paying jobs to the South Side and $235 million in capital investment to our community. Over the next 10 years, Navistar will have an estimated economic impact of $5.6 billion. In addition, Navistar will eventually create a new supplier network right here in San Antonio. This will bring more jobs and investment to the South Side in the coming years. San Antonio has been strategically preparing for this type of project for many years. We've been investing in our workforce, our transportation infrastructure, and long-term sustainable water and power resources. And our investments are paying off. The decision by Navistar to build a new 1 million square foot facility here is a testament to the efforts of this entire community, even as we face the great global challenge. It's a challenge that our community chose to face head-on by coming together and resolving to emerge greater than ever through various programs and initiatives and by supporting our business community. And I think that's why Navistar is such a great fit for our community. They have an unwavering commitment to serving their customers, and they continue to innovate in the toughest of times. Again, thank you to Navistar for choosing San Antonio. We look forward to seeing you in the first truck roll off the production line in 2022 and to building a long-lasting partnership with Navistar.
Well, we're excited about Navistar coming to San Antonio. I had the opportunity to go up to your corporate headquarters 2 different times. One of them was in the deep time of winter. It was cold, it was icy, and so when we got there, I showed Troy Clark a picture of San Antonio on the day that I left. The trees were green, it was a balmy day, about 70 degrees, and I said, you know, when you come to San Antonio, you're going to have a good, productive day every day in San Antonio. We're working hard to provide you the right workforce. We're upgrading our job training. We're going to be ready for you when you get ready to open up your plant. That'll be 600 individuals coming to San Antonio or out of San Antonio working at your plant, and we're delighted for that opportunity. I had the opportunity to go out to your site here just a couple of weeks ago. It's exciting to see the land being cleared, the base being put in. Soon the construction will start, and I want to thank you for sticking with us through this very difficult time. We're all going through a crisis with COVID. You are showing the leadership to plan for the future and to continue to build this plant. When we get out of this crisis, you're going to be ready to go. So thank you very, very much.
Good morning. I'm Rebecca Viagran, Council Member for District 3, and I'm so glad to be here with you today. I'm inspired by the residents of my district and the growth that we are fueling because we are ready to work. Navistar's investment represents almost 600 people that will have the opportunity to live and work on the South Side. The investment will continue to have a ripple effect for the South San Antonians and can have an impact that lasts generations. As we've seen with other major manufacturers, I envision this investment inspiring additional interest and investment in the South Side of San Antonio. We are ready for it and look forward to continuing to grow our region's strong economy. Thank you to the Navistar team for investing in my district, District 3. Welcome to our growing community.
Good morning, everyone. I'm so glad to finally celebrate this significant milestone with you today. From our team's first meeting with Navistar to formal proposals from the state, our city and county partners, and ultimately closing the deal, I think this project represented the fastest turnaround for our San Antonio region and the state in recent history. That's how excited and motivated we were to have Navistar join our community. Amazing things are made in San Antonio, from Super Hornet fighter jets to high-end food. Soon that list will include Navistar trucks too. Over the past few months, it's been inspiring to see Navistar continue with their commitment to San Antonio, not skipping a beat. The new jobs Navistar will create in our community represent 600 strong futures for San Antonians. And the trucks San Antonians will make at this facility will move equipment and products across the Americas. I can't wait to see how Navistar continues building upon their legacy of innovation in our San Antonio community with this state-of-the-art facility. Our greater San Antonio region is focused on our future. We are resilient and working together to continue building up our regional economy, not just as it was before, but even greater. Navistar will be such a critical component of that growth in the coming years, as we support Navistar in establishing their manufacturing facility and growing their supplier network. Our team is here to support you every step of the way. Congratulations, Troy and team, on today's groundbreaking milestone, and thank you for investing in San Antonio. I'll now turn it back over to the Navistar team in Lisle, Illinois, to close out our program.
Thank you, Jenna. While we can't be there to turn dirt on the new site, we are thankful to celebrate the first of many milestones for Navistar in San Antonio. Before we conclude, I'd like to ask everyone if we can take a quick group photo with the items that we've broken ground with here today in San Antonio. On behalf of the Navistar team, thank you for your tremendous support. We are proud to be joining the San Antonio community and look forward for all that is to come.